Looks like a big balloon, but we don't.
It's a sideways UFO.
We don't see anything. Anything holding it. So it looks like a big sphere in the sky. I hear some helicopters coming, but we don't know what's going on here. Here comes a helicopter now. Trying to see what's going on over here. It's going towards the object. The circle is going to go toward it. But who knows what's going on here. This is kind of weird. The helicopter is going toward it now. Look, the helicopter's going toward it, Julian. The helicopter's going toward it now. Yeah, it's checking it out. It's like, what's going on? The helicopter circling it. There's nothing really. There's nothing holding it down, though. That's the thing. There's nothing holding it down. UFO in West Covina, San Gabriel Valley. Helicopter is circling it. What's today, Monday, Julian? Looks like